Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-256T-UP-TERM, and this specific timer is going to be used to measure how long someone is in a freezer or a freezer door is open. I'm not quite sure. It's going to Polar King, and it's a simple single action timer that you can see here. We went ahead and pulled out a pair of cables here that will connect to a terminal block inside, and that's all accessible to the customer. This is a hinged front NEMA 4X enclosure, and I'm just going to demonstrate how the action is. So when the contacts are closed, the timer will run for the duration of that, and then when the contacts are open, it's just simply going to reset. So it's just a single action. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that. So let's say the door is open to the freezer, and now it's starting to count up, and then they can see how long that has been open. To access the inside, there's a safety on each one of these latches you have to push over. It's a little switch, little safety switch, and these guys are a little tough to open. And so it's a sealed enclosure, and then there's two thumb screws right here. So we'll just loosen those, and that will allow us to get inside of the unit of the timer to make our connections. And I'm going to show you what those are inside. You can see that terminal block up there at the top, and then the power supply, which is a 110 or 120 240 volt power supply that converts it to 12 volts. And then to mount it, obviously you need to have the cover open also. And oh no, you don't. I'm sorry. I'll show you the mounting here in a minute as soon as I get the cover closed. I'm going to go ahead and close that, latch that down, and then turn it around. So there are tabs on the back. There's mounting screws for the hardware to mount the enclosure to the wall. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and I'm demonstrating a DC-256T-UP-TERM. That's a single action, I guess, if you will, timer. And I'm going to go ahead and open this to show you how it resets to zero, back to zero. Thank you for watching.